Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. Join me for this new shopping finds of November-December 2025. First, they have wrapping paper at $1.50 in a variety of styles, and they also offer ones at $3 too. And while you can get higher end wrapping paper for $3, at just $1.50 you can get some character wrapping paper as well. Next, a whole aisle of large pre-made bows with some door hangers and garland. But I believe these bows with the black belt are kind of new this year. I don't remember them from last year. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen them before. And in the past, they didn't get dedicated an entire aisle just for these bows and garland and door hangers. And at my local Dollar Trees, I'm still not finding any candy cane wreaths. So you can grab one of these over-the-door candy cane pre-made decor pieces and just remove the sort of like thin garland that's wrapped all around it and try to make your wreath that way. So this is what I call the non-DIYer aisle with tons of different pre-made decor pieces. And thanks to the comment by Andrea Rivers, thank you so much. I had learned that there are possibly 2 different sizes of candy cane wreath forms depending on your local Dollar Tree. So they could be from 15 inches as the standard or even as large as 20 inches. Let me know in the comments below if you find them at your local Dollar Tree. I don't remember seeing this really pretty ornament last year with the reindeer inside. But as far as ornaments are concerned, most of these are the same old, same old. However, I did notice that Dollar Tree did bring in larger and even jumbo-sized ornaments as well. Otherwise, my local Dollar Tree seems to be leaning heavily into pre-made decor pieces. But you can grab a basic wreath form and create a Christmas-themed wreath instead. And last year, I don't remember seeing this weird stuffy with a green body, fuzzy body. Kind of reminds me of Grinch, or giving me Grinch vibes. Perhaps someone trying to dress up as the Grinch or an elf trying to dress up as one. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this thing. And here's what I call the crafty aisle, where you can grab any of these wooden pieces or kits and DIY your own designs. Let me know in the comments below if you have any creative ways that you would DIY with these. And of course, the other DIY same old, same old. And Dollar Tree also has an aisle that I'm calling the holiday wearables. From Santa hats to headbands to necklaces, skirts, and scarves. A lot of these you can wear for the holiday season, and you can also use some dinnerware and things like that to display anything that you want to serve, maybe like holiday candy or other things. But I don't know if these are BPA free, so be careful of that. If it's just candy wrapped, then it should be fine, but you don't want to put baked goods on it if it's not BPA free. And this is what my local Dollar Tree has for selection of wreath forms. And these are the burlap ribbons I would choose from to make my signature DIY ribbon wrapped wreath. And I'm telling you, these are so much fun to make. And of course, we can't forget that Dollar Tree always carries a variety of stockings, and I feel like they've expanded that as well this year. I don't remember the Santa belt around one. I don't remember a detailed snowman or reindeer one, so on and so forth. They even have a Dollar Tree Plus section one that's really soft and higher end looking as well. There's just so many to choose from now. So for the non-DIYers, here are some already made wreaths and door decor or wall decor, as well as these $6 giant 2-crossed candy canes. As you see here, Dollar Tree's Plus section has expanded their decor piece selection. The Santa Clauses are new, and the garland of ornaments are also new. The sleigh are also new, and the teddy bears with the candy cane and snowmen are also new. So let me know what you think of these new finds down in the comments below. These look like they're standing decor pieces. I don't think you can go wrong with any of them. Then we've got these new door hangers that look homemade. which all I think are cute as well. Then you have more basic garland, ornament garlands, and these wooden decor pieces too. Lots of nutcrackers this year. Let me know what you think of that in the comments below. And my Dollar Tree now has recorders that you can now buy in store. Super cheap. I don't know if these work well. Let me know. For $7, this wireless LED karaoke mic. If you enjoyed this video, please consider checking out my Etsy shop for available and affordable 2026 digital calendars. And new this year is a Cancer Dragon themed calendar. I'm also doing a General Light Shades release of my Cancer Dragon themed t-shirts. Great for supporters, survivors, and warriors. Available in white, solid white, silver, athletic heather, and ash. All General Cancer Awareness shirts are available now, with a holiday special discount, 10% off now through January 5th only. So inspire everywhere with everywhere. Personally designed t-shirts based off of my upcoming book, The Cancer Dragon. Here I'm unboxing some orders from coworkers who I'm very grateful to for supporting my mission. If you were to ask me honestly, the idea for this logo came from my DIY Cancer Dragon wreath. My husband bought me a shirt once that said, "I kicked cancer's ass," but because of where I work, HR would have had a hissy fit over that, so I decided to design my own. To me, there's something to be proud of in becoming a Cancer Dragon Slayer, and I really hope my journey inspires you. I never planned on designing shirts for this, but as I kept creating and finding ways to express my life story, it just happened. I thought to myself, who else might love a shirt like this? On the back, the sayings are made for slayers, warriors, supporters, and even for honoring lost warriors. These shirts were created with all of you in mind, and I was so happy with the design that I wanted to make it available for anyone who feels connected to this journey. Okay, so here's the cover so far for my upcoming book. The basic gist of it is, I became diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, got pregnant during fertility treatments, refused to abort, despite my doctor's warnings that I'd die at birthing my child. For book updates or to support me, scan the code or click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.